Car manufacturing cases happen every day in Rogers, Arkansas. You need a car accident attorney to fix your problem and should not be alone during this time. People in Rogers, Arkansas do not always take the time that they should to consult with an attorney before proceeding into wanting restitution. Times like these can be frustrating for anyone. That is why we're here, to help you take care of everything that you're unsure of. In Rogers, we pride ourselves on not just being great attorneys, but on providing customer service to everyone that walks through our doors, no matter what the case is. In matters of car manufacturing lawsuits, you should always first figure out what happened, what went wrong, and who is responsible. If you have not done this already, you could wind up being the victim of a lawsuit yourself, so please do not wait. You can visit our website in order to learn more about what to do in the case of car manufacturing defects. And from there, we promise that we will do everything in our power to get you what you need and fast. So please do not wait. Contact us immediately if you or someone that you know has been affected by these circumstances. You will be glad you did.